Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a link in Notion. This is a great way to integrate external content directly into your workspace, whether it's a website, video, or document, making your pages more interactive and dynamic. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Notion and navigate to your desired workspace from the sidebar. This is where all your pages and projects are organized, so make sure you're in the right workspace before moving forward. Once you're there, go to the page where you want to embed the link. This could be a project board, meeting notes, or any other page where embedded content would be useful. Click on the area where you want to add the embed block. Notion's interface is incredibly flexible, so you can place your embed wherever it makes the most sense within your page layout. Now, type /embed and press enter to create an embed block. This command pulls up Notion's embed feature, which is specifically designed to handle external links and display them natively within your page. Next, you'll need to copy the URL link you want to embed from your browser or app, head over to the website or content you wish to share, highlight the URL in your address bar and copy it. Then return to Notion and paste the copied URL into the embed block input field. This is where Notion will retrieve the content to display within your page. After pasting the link, click the blue Embed Link button to confirm. This tells Notion to process and load the content from that URL. Wait for Notion to load and display the embedded content. Depending on the type of content and your internet connection, this may take a few seconds. Once it appears, you'll see the embedded content rendered directly in your page. If you need to adjust the size or position of the embed block, simply drag its edges to resize it. Notion gives you full control over how your embedded content fits within your layout. Scroll through your page and verify the embedded content appears correctly. Make sure everything displays as expected and that the embed is functioning properly. And here's a bonus: you can add multiple links to the same page, allowing you to create rich multimedia experiences within a single Notion workspace. That's it, you've successfully embedded a link in Notion. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.